Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to look into probably the most underrated aspect of filmmaking, the audio. Now you might not think about it every time you hit record, but sound plays a huge role in the storytelling experience, whether it's the subtle hum of ambience, to the richness of a voice, or the impact of a perfectly timed musical score. Audio isn't just background noise, it's a core part of your film or video's message. First off, let's talk about immersion. If you think about it, when you watch a film, sounds shape your surroundings, your mood, and even your sense of place. Good audio transports you right into the middle of the action, or the stillness of a very quiet room. Without sound, your visuals only go so far. With it, you're building a world. Notice how you don't just see the forest, you feel it. The audio is adding depth, making that scene three-dimensional rather than just the 2D images. Sound is the quickest route to our emotions. Music, for instance, isn't just background filler, it's an emotional guide, as a well-chosen piece of music can make a good scene great, or in the hands of an artist, absolutely unforgettable.
We know so much more. Take a deep breath.
Sound pulls at our heartstrings, and without it, your scene can feel flat and like it's missing something that is essential. Dialogue is where sound meets character. We can capture facial expressions on camera, but the real weight of a character's intention is their voice, their pauses, their sighs, and even the silence. Good sound captures all of these. If your dialogue isn't crystal clear, you're robbing your audience of truly connecting with your characters. Here's where you can take action. If you invest in a good mic, I have recently uploaded a review of the H4n Pro that you can find here. You'll also want to learn some basic sound mixing skills and always do a sound check prior to your shoot. These small steps can make a huge difference. Sound design isn't just for Hollywood, it's for every creator who wants to take their videos to the next level. You can forgive poor visuals, but you cannot forgive poor audio. So next time you're planning your shoot, don't just think about your shot list, think about the sounds that will define each scene and each frame. Sound isn't just support, it's a storytelling tool in its own right. Hopefully you found this video interesting. If you have, be sure to hit that like button. To keep up to date with future videos on filmmaking tips and gear reviews, and much more, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Take it easy, and I'll catch you in the next one.